Hello, this is James Page at ECOC 2025 here on the Sumitomo Electric stand. I'm going to be talking to Hong Nguyen, who is their Business Development Director. Hong, lovely to see you.
Yes, nice to meet you. Yes, thanks for the opportunity.
It's an absolute pleasure. Looking forward to talking to you, particularly because Sumitomo has such a long and distinguished history in the development of advanced optical interconnect technologies. Perhaps you could tell us a little bit more about what you're seeing in the market at the moment.
Yes, so the main challenges for interconnects, particularly in data centers and AI infrastructures, are the interconnect speed, density, and power consumption. And co-packaged optics, or CPO, is essential for addressing these challenges that would otherwise be extremely difficult using conventional electrical interconnects. And at Sumitomo Electric, we are developing cutting-edge optical interconnect solutions specifically for CPO. And through an end-to-end development process, from the optical design to fiber manufacturing and assembly, we are enabling high-density and energy-efficient interconnect solutions for next-gen AI and data centers, thereby helping our customers to grow their business.
Yeah, absolutely, really important. Look, it's a busy stand. There's lots of things on here. You have a really diverse portfolio of equipment. Maybe you can talk to us about some of the things that you have on the stand, and then maybe give us a little insight into the technical advantages that you have that have led to their development.
Yes. So we have a lot here. And Sumitomo Electric, just to give you a history, has a history of 130 years in operation. And we're recognized as one of the leading manufacturers of optical fibers, connectors, cables, and interconnects. And we develop and manufacture in-house, including high-density and low-loss fibers and connectors, as well as custom-designed fiber arrays, cable assemblies, and cable management solutions, as you can kind of see here. And we provide solutions not just for CPO, but for all the fiber cabling for rack scale and beyond, inside the building, and for connecting the data centers to the rest of the world. So this allows us to serve a wide range of customers and their requirements.
Okay.
Yeah, and to be a little bit more specific, for CPO, we are developing solutions for almost like anything that is optics inside the box, maybe except for the optical engine and the PIC itself. And maybe I can describe more about what's inside there. Starting at the CPO package, we have the detachable optical connector, the PIC. These are fiber interface to the PIC that is very high density, maybe even like a 2D arrangement of fibers that is also low loss and detachable, which are really hard to achieve all at the same time. But if we can do this, then it would enable high density and more efficient, energy efficient systems. Not only the connectors, we also manufacture the full fiber cable assembly that link from the CPO package all the way to the front panel. And not only that, we also design the fiber management solution that work together with the cables. And these are the trays and the modules that are pre-populated with the cables, and that enables a much faster assembly time into the box, which is really important for the system integrators, right? And for example, the fiber management tray, which we can show you later, we would bring one of these into the box during the assembly, click it into place, and just attach the connectors on the both ends. Minimal time spent on the routing of the fibers, yep. Or even better, with our fiber management modules, it comes pre-populated with all the fiber breakouts and the front panel connectors and the shuffling of the fibers between the ports. And so essentially you bring in the box, attach one of the cables, done. Greatly reduce assembly time at the system integrators. It's a long list, right? We've still got a few more to go.
Okay.
So the next is the external light source module, or the ELSFP, which is another important part of the CPO. And we have the lasers for them, as well as the specifically designed connectors that has been standardized through the OIF. So the parts are made in-house, and essentially we can do the full cable assembly terminated with the ELSFE connectors. And just a little bit more, the more broadly, we also offer the PLC-based fiber arrays with MUX and DMUX capabilities that allows us to do improved low-loss coupling to some of these small diameter diodes and WDM-based PICs. And lastly, looking at even higher densities, we have the multi-core fibers. You may have heard of these. These are fibers with multiple waveguiding cores inside the fiber. And if we combine the multi-core fiber with CPO, we can increase the core density by another 4x or even 8x from what is being discussed today.
So I think it's pretty clear from that you can see the breadth of your offer and the portfolio to create a complete and total solution. But maybe you could also give us a sense of what makes Sumitomo, what's the difference that Sumitomo brings to that? What makes you stand out?
Yes, I think that's a great question. Thank you. Sumitomo Electric's expertise, it spans a very broad area in optical communications. I think that's one of the keys. So we've got the passive optical interconnects that we just described. We also have the active devices like the lasers that go in the transceiver modules, and even networking equipment. That's something most people don't really know about, but we actually do. And our team pay meticulous attention to detail, which helps to drive technology and product developments and customer collaborations to success. So you can rely on Sumitomo for manufacturing capabilities that are high in quality and highly reliable.
And if anybody wanted to then get in touch with you or colleagues, what's the first step they should take?
We have a great website with a lot of details. Please come and check us out.
It's fantastic to talk to you. Thank you for explaining all of that. It's lovely to talk to you.
Yes, likewise. Thank you so much.